Given two strings, ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed by using letters from magazine, and false otherwise. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. So example one, we have input. Ransom note is A string, magazine is B string, and false. And example two, we have this ransom note has AA in it and AB, and we have false. Example three, we have ransom note AA and magazine AAB. So this one, we see that we have AB here, so we can't make it with this. But this one, since there's AA, we have the AA needed in the magazine that's here, is here. Um, Even though we have an extra B, but we can still make the AA here, and that's how we have to. So let's make a dictionary to count chair, teacher characters, and magazine. Then check with ransom note. So let's call it chair count. For chair and magazine, if chair count, chair count, no, if chair, if chair and chair count, let's go ahead and add chair count, chair count, chair equals to one. So we are to one to the value of whatever count we have. So for example here, we just take this and false. I mean else if it's not in it, we initialize it. Chair count chair will be equals to one. In this case, if it's already in it, in this case, if it's not in it but it's in this, if if it's in magazine but not in our chair count dictionary. So now we go to the ransom note. So for chair in ransom note, if chair, hold on, if chair not, if chair not in chair count, or chair count chair is equals to 0, return false. Chair count chair equals to 1, return true. So in this case, if it's not in it and this one if it's 0, meaning we don't have anything else left. If it's nothing else left, for example here, in this case we have 1 here, 1 of A here. So once we go to that, the first time we go to ransom note, and then the second time, the first time, once we go to it, it doesn't meet any of these, but this it gets -1 in the dictionary. So it will be 0 now, and then second time it will meet this. But we're going to see 0, so we're going to return false, and that's basically it. And it's been accepted successfully. And the time complexity in this case is I believe of n plus n. Let's submit to see. Of n. And space complexity should also be of n. O of 1. O of 1. Yes, of 1, because we're using the same variables. And that's it for this problem. It's a simple problem using dictionary to keep track of the values of numbers and checking.